Compositing in Photoshop is incredibly powerful and allows you to do a variety of different things, from inserting a slogan into your images to compositing products onto new backgrounds, face swaps, putting people into new backgrounds, and even changing out the skies of your photos. In this tutorial, we walk you through how to do all of those things plus more. You'll learn the best workflow and how to use the brand new tools in Photoshop like AI and the new selection brush tool to make these jobs easier than ever. Download and follow along with the included sample images so you can get the most out of your learning experience while creating stunning composites on your own. You'll learn the best selection techniques for accurately cutting out your subjects and putting them in their new backgrounds while matching color and light to make it look 100% realistic. This tutorial is designed to cover a number of different use cases, so we show you all types of different composites, and the knowledge you'll learn from these different composites will allow you to create any type of composite photo you can imagine in Photoshop. And as always, this tutorial is included in your PHLEARN Pro membership. Join today and get instant access as well as access to over 10 years of our existing catalog, covering retouching, compositing, advanced special effects, Lightroom, Photoshop photography, and more. We have an amazing tutorial for you, and I'm so excited. It's time to jump into compositing in Photoshop.